Hello students, how are you? I'm teacher Marta and I'm going to give you today a class for the level A1, yes? And we are going to learn about verb can and verb may. They are modal verbs, but first we are going to do a review of another two modal verbs. The verb must, yes, and the verb have to, okay? Well, we start with the verb must, yes? The verb must express personal obligation. Is something that you think that is an obligation. Express what the speaker thinks is necessary, okay? Express not your opinion. What do you think that is important for you, okay? Is related with values and things that you learned when you were a child. Okay, express subjective obligation, yes? For example, you have two sentences here to express that. I must go to bed earlier, okay? Is something that you think that is important, yes? Because you have to work next day, because you have to go to school, and you have to be with all your capacities, yes? And you must answer all the questions, yes? For example, I must say this when we started an exam, okay? You must answer all the questions, okay? Wow, very good. And now we have another modal verb have to, okay? This is another way of obligation. It's a way of obligation by law, yes? Expressing personal obligation, yes? We have to express the obligation of a law, of a school, of our place of working, okay? The subject is obliged or forced to act but by a separate or external power, yes, for law or school or your job, yes? Different rules. Express objective obligation. I have to arrive at work at 9, at 7. In Britain, you have to drive on the left, okay? Yes. I have to work 10 hours on Monday because I have to do extra work. I have to do all my chores at home because my family have these rules, okay? And I have to pay all my bills, for example, or I have to pay the water because if I didn't do that, we suppose that we didn't have water at home, yes? Or the light, yes? Okay, I hope you understand these two modal verbs, must and have to, yes? Have to is express an impersonal obligation by law, and must express a personal obligation by your values, okay? Thank you. And now we are going to start with can and may that are in your guide number 5. Yes, these two verbs are important for. The verb can is an auxiliary verb. It is used in two cases, yes? To talk about ability. For example, I can finish my homework. And now question, can you finish your homework tonight? Can you make the cake? Sorry, I have a mistake here. Yes. Can you make the cake? Or another thing, can you cook chicken? Can you make a roast beef, for example? Can you play basket? For another sport, can you play hockey? Can you go hang gliding? Can you do surfing? Okay. Can you do snowboarding? And number 2, to ask or give permission informally, okay? To ask permission for someone that you know that you are close to the person, okay? Can I use your pen? You can use my pen. can I ask you a question? Yes, this reflects that you are closer to this person, that you have a long time that you are together. Yes, and the verb may is the other verb, another modal verb. We learned today 4 modal verbs: have to, must, can, and may. Yes. Verb may is also an auxiliary verb. It is generally used to give or ask for permission, but in a way formal, in a formal way. Yes. Okay. If you don't know the person who is talking to you, you have to use may. Yes. Number 1. This is the first way to use may. Let's take a situation between a student and a teacher, between a boss and a person who works for he, yes, or she, a boss. May I drink water? Teacher, yes, you may. May I go to the bathroom? Yes, you may. May I wash my hands? Yes, you may. Let's take a situation between 2 strangers. For example, I am waiting in the queue for the bank, in the line, yes, and someone saw my pen, in this case my marker, and asked me, may I borrow your pen? Yes, to signature the something. Yes, yes, you may. Okay, this is the way to ask formally. Pay attention, this is important. The modal verbs don't use the s in the present simple, and has a particular way to make their tenses. Okay. For example, we say I can, you can, he can, she can, and they didn't use the yes. The yes. The same for the verb may, the same for the verb have to, and the same for the verb must. Yes. For example, can has a past, is could. May has a past, is might. And the verb have to has a past case, what that is have to. Yes, but the others. Pay attention to the modal verbs. They are important in English, and they didn't follow the rules. Okay. Well, thank you. I hope that you stay calm at home. We have to stay at home. Yes, we have to. Yes, and I hope that you understand all the 4 modal verbs that I explained to you. Thank you. Bye.